Okay, just want to show you how this compensation plan work for AOIP. I put it in the spreadsheet version. That is based on this page here, and I will probably have the link somewhere here and to the bottom. All right, now I did it as far as the 6 weeks, 32 referrals here. All right, now this is based on paying it forward. This is my, you paid for it for 4, right? It's your break even for $10 on your first one, and your third, you get $10. All right. Now you notice how great this marketing is. You paid 4 tickets, and you get 2 back, which is just you paid for half. And if everybody do that straight down the line for the 6 weeks. We should be making $5,000 a month in no time. Once everybody have to see the vision, okay? Then I pass up to my sponsor my even numbers, right? I get the odd numbers. So I'm just dealing with me now, which is all of my third here, and my first and third. They get their 4, and of course I'm going to help them get their 4, right? And it goes on. I help them get their 4, and obviously I'm going to get money by them passing it up to me, okay? And they, of course, making money by their referrals of getting their paid for tickets. Now, if everybody is paid for, you literally be paying it forward to success, literally, okay? I do it straight to the 32, which is the 6 weeks. And everybody, getting everything together, getting their paid for tickets, marketing, everybody marketing for each other, because it's in everybody's best interest. You're going to make money anyway. And this is the web format. All right, I'll probably have the link to the Excel version here and up there. All right, that's it. Miguel out.